Hello everyone. So we were doing the imported questions series of JEE Mains, and this is the next question of that series. Let's see. If a circle of constant radius 3k passes through the origin and meets the axis at A and B, the locus of centroid of triangle ABC will be. Okay, you got the question. The radius of the circle is 3k. Okay, and it is passing through origin. Okay, passing through origin. This is a point. Okay, and it is meeting the axis at A and B. It will definitely meet the axis somewhere, and we will name that A and B. No problem. Now what does this say? The radius is 3k and this is O. This is 0 0, and we can give this some name like A and 0, and this is 0 and B, because in x-axis the bi-coordinate is always 0 and vice versa for y-axis. So the radius is 3k. We have to use this and we have to find the locus of centroid. What is centroid? If coordinates are given, we definitely know if the coordinates of the triangle is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, then its centroid will be x1 plus x2 plus x3, y3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3, y3. These are the coordinates of centroid, and we are having all the coordinates of this triangle OAB. So we can definitely find the coordinates of centroid. But we have to find the locus of this using this in form of k, using the radius. How we will relate these two things, this triangle and this circle. Now, we can see that this is 90. Of course, in a simple Cartesian coordinates, the angle between the x-axis and y-axis is always 90. So, and this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. So you must have read a property that angle in semicircle is always 90 degree. Okay, let me recall that property. You must have read that property that if a chord is there and that is subtending some angle at the center and some angle at the boundary, okay, then definitely this angle will be double of this. Okay, similarly, when the angle is, when the this is diameter, then it is subtending the 180 on the center, so it always subtend 90 in the semicircle part. So definitely angle in semicircle is always 90 if a diameter is there and that is subtending some angle of that circle, then that will be always 90, and vice versa. If some chord is subtending 90 degree at the circumference, then that chord will definitely be a diameter. So we can say, since this is 90 and this is the chord which is subtending this angle, so AB is a diameter of this circle. Since AB subtend, what is that, subtend or subtend 90 degree at the circumference. Okay, so AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Now, what is the use of this statement, AB is a diameter? The use is this: if AB is the diameter, so its length must be 6k, because diameter is double of the radius. Okay, and also its length can be determined in terms of A and B. What do we want in the last? We want to relate this A and B, since we are getting the centroid in form of A and B only, because these coordinates will come in form of A and B. So we want to relate this A and B to K, and so we are writing the diameter in two forms. One is the 6k and other is the this plus this, Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? This is A and this is B. So Pythagoras says A square plus B square root. Got this? So now what we can do? What we can do after this? Now we are just recapitulating that thing that we started earlier. I hope you have noted down that. Okay, so we have got this relation K in terms of A and B, and we have a relation of A and B to this centroid. So let's write the coordinate of centroid. Centroid is this. Add the x coordinate of 3, 0 plus 0 plus a upon 3, a upon 3, b plus 0 plus 0 upon 3, b upon 3. Let's name this x, y. Why we are naming this x and y? Because we have to find the locus of this only. So we can directly write this as x and y, and whatever relation we will get, that will be our answer. So now we get a relation between xy and ab, and we got a relation between ab and k. So just substitute the value of a and b from this equation. What does we got? A equal to 3x and v equal to 3y. Just put it here. We will get the answer. 6k equals a 3x squared, 9x squared, 3y squared, 9y squared. Okay, so this is our answer, and yeah, we have to simplify in the form so that we get in some of these options. So square that, 16x square equal to 9x square plus 9y square and 994. So x square plus y square equals 4k square. X square plus y square equals 4k square. So what is the answer? Definitely this one. Okay, so you got the point what I was trying to say, that we have to relate the centroid thing and the, what was the other thing, this angle in semicircle. If we will combine them, you will definitely got this question. And please share with someone who is preparing for the exams, and be with me for next question. Thanks for watching.